Now, you will never be a Sky Warrior. No!
Getting closer every time, Wushu.
You look ridiculous. Ridiculously cool.
I am a disgrace to the Order of Sky Warriors.
The Sky Warriors?
I have invented my own martial art, and yet I cannot complete my own challenges.
I know I could be a Sky Warrior. What's a Sky Warrior again?
We fly through the skies, heroically defending the helpless.
Heroic helpers! Can I be on the team?
I'm heroic. Pick me! Pick me!
A true master must face their challenge alone.
Hold on, Wushu. How about you practice for your challenges by training us?
The way of the Sky Warrior is hard. She must...
Oh, yeah!
I'm excited.
Team hug!
Life is about balance.
I'll do duck lips and you just be yourself.
Whoa! Ooh.
It will be impossible to train you in the ways of the Sky Warrior. You are all so...
Cool.
Good looking?
undisciplined. Ugh.
Hey, Matteo. I think Wushu is a bit upset.
Huh, you don't say. Hey, Wushu, we're not perfect, but we have good hearts. I think your training is exactly what we need.
A Sky Warrior helps all people. Very well. Let the training begin! A Sky Warrior shows discipline. I can hear you, Jay.
Surprise!
A Sky Warrior is as silent as the shadows.
Oh.
I need the energy.
A Sky Warrior shows patience.
Can't quite... Whoa, that was really cool. Huh, these Velcro gloves are one of my most brilliant inventions!
A Sky Warrior finds true strength within.
Yeah.
Now, we must compete in the ultimate test. Only one of us can win a hero's glory as the first Sky Warrior.
Are there any rules for the obstacle course?
Go fast. Go alone. Go now!
Thanks for the hand up. I'm gonna win.
Got him!
And the crowds go wild as Cami prepares to grind her competition mercilessly into the dust.
Too slow! Ah!
This is not what I had in mind.
Well, things can't get any worse. It's worse.
Team J, helpless, just the way I like you.
Oh, we can pluck the zebra off the wall like a fat plum.
Who are you calling fat? Whoa!
Oh, this is all my fault. I failed as a Sky Warrior, and now there's a teacher too.
Wushu, all you did was get us to challenge ourselves. But working alone is not the answer. So let's remember, when are we strongest?
After a nice snack.
When we work together. It's team time!
Hand, paw, hoof. Go, Team J!
Release the claw.
Everyone, climb a rope! Thanks, Duke!
Here, Cami!
Gotcha.
Now, everybody, swing!
I'll unravel this team like my granny's knitting. Oh, they're moving too fast.
Just grab the donkey. He's right there.
Now, team, jump!
Hey! What's up, my fine flying friend?
I drove our team apart by making us think only of ourselves. All for my own ambition of being a Grand Master.
Maybe this is the final lesson of your training.
Sky Warriors help, but they also need help.
Oh yeah, we're all Sky Warriors now.
We don't need to be Sky Warriors.
Huh?
There's a name that suits us even better.
Team
J!
Matteo!
Wushu!
Yes! We've got it this time! Duke, the big finish!
Just a minute.
Duke,
Quickly, Vangeable!
Huh?
Guys, we almost did it that time. And mega triple air flip.
Hashtag mega triple air flop.
Oh, yay! Mina's here!
Do you want to see a real trick? Do you like them?
Ooh.
They're the best trick footballs in the world.
We don't need fancy. Ooh.
They come pre-programmed with tricks.
Wow!
Whoa, rocket boosters!
Don't touch what you can't afford.
Actually, we've got a better ball.
Really?
Really?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Then where is it?
Well,
We left it at home today.
Well, bring it tomorrow and we'll see who can do the best tricks. Toodles, losers.
Cami, now we're going to look ridiculous.
We'll show her with the super awesome ball we have.
Jay, we do not actually have a fancy trick football.
We don't, but Cami said.
I'm sorry, Jay. I got a bit carried away. We've been working so hard on our tricks. And she just gets a trick ball. It's unfair.
I don't think our ball is gonna keep up with Mina's.
Let's buy a trick ball of our own.
How much could it possibly cost? Oh,
Yeesh! How much money do we have?
Only $6 and a cookie. Only $6.
Mina's going to laugh at us.
We need a different plan.
I'm working on it. Let's just make a ball. We can make it super fast.
And graceful.
And bouncy.
and delicious.
It'll be the greatest ball in the world. Yes!
Ugh.
Ow!
Cami. Cami, no!
Ah!
It's too delicious.
Hey, fans! I'm about to show a bunch of losers that their little homemade balls are no match for me, Mina Mine, freestyler extraordinaire. Mommy, are you the only person watching? Sorry, sweetie, pocket time. Are you ready, Judge? Me first! Beat that, freak!
Free pizza is pretty hard to beat.
It's not free.
Okay, guys, what have we got to work with?
Let's try mine first. That did not go as I expected.
Ours is super bouncy. Too bouncy.
Let's try mine! Duke, your chocolate brownie ball is our last chance.
Oops.
You really thought one of those could be the greatest ball in the world?
I think I know what went wrong. We should have worked as a team.
Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, right. It's team time!
Go Team Jet!
Focus your energies, team.
It's forming.
Wow, it's
Just a ball.
no rocket?
No chewy caramel center?
But don't you see? It's perfect. It's exactly the one we practiced with. Here, Wushu.
Ugh, we don't need the perfect ball.
We just need us.
And practice.
Whatever.
Guys, the mega triple air flip. We can do it.
Huh?
I still... Oh...
Yeah!
Mommy, we need to buy better ones!
Wanna practice the new move I've been working on?
Yeah.
Maybe later. Still digesting my football.